Well, several years ago I saw an article in a magazine that talked about this fellow by the name of Pierre Hedary, who would travel to your location and service your classic Mercedes. At the time I had a 1974 Mercedes, but I lived in New York and Pierre was in Florida, and I thought, well, this is crazy, but I'd love to meet this person sometime. And about 6 months ago, I was down in Orlando on business and sent an email to Pierre. I'd never met him before or spoken with him, asking if I could just come to his shop and meet him. I thought it would just be an honor to do that. And he said, sure, come on by. So when I was in Orlando, I was driving to the seashore. I'd like to do that when I'm here. And going through Titusville, I called Pierre, but I only got his answering machine, as you often do. So I thought, well, I'm not going to get a chance to meet him. About 2 minutes later, I got a call back, and it was Pierre Hedary. He asked where I was, and I told him. He said, you're about 2 miles from my shop, come on by. So I did, and I pulled into the driveway. There was this person on the telephone. I got out of my rental car and I heard him say to whoever he was speaking with, oh, I've got to go now, my friend Bill Greener is here. And that was about 6 months ago. It was the first time I met Pierre, and it's really turned into not just a business relationship, but a friendship, as it usually does with his customers. So that's how I met Pierre.